You see there's a difference between the normal shop and the automation uh, marketing shop. You see, the normal shop, you open and close your shop at your given time. Then you go and sleep and prepare for another day. On the automation shop, it's different. It's always open. There's no workers, nothing, zip, zero, no one inside, but it's open. It's your shop. Yile ngikhuluma ngayo. Ngikhuluma nge-automation funnels, nama-automation emails, nama-automation marketing. Into ima kanjena. Akukwenzela i-example. Siyangena la kuma-social media, we got a different product esiwathengisayo. Siyakhuluma ngawe and we go live, sikhulume lokhu zama-product ethu. And then sikhathale sihambe solala. And we make post videos, ama-post and everything, talking about our product. And then keep. And then you got feedback, abantu beyo-viewer, and then benze follow up, befuna ukucacisela ngokuthi what it is that product you are selling. And then you have to explain in one video, mhlampe kufanele uchazele abantu more than 200 in one video. You get exhausted, you just have a burnout. By one video, uqedela isikhathi sonke naso, endapha nje ukhathazwe one video. Uzama ukuchaza ngale product yakho ukuthi product yami yenza ukuthi ngamunye umuntu. Now, umehluko-ke we-email automation. Once waya go-clicka lapha kwi-link yaleyo product, automatically i-product usuyibona isiyakunika i-feedback almost every day nge-email yakho ukuthi iyini nani kuphathele ini nani. Akukho muntu wena ngikhathulele yona iyakusebenzela. I know ukuthi abanye babantu abakhona la abathengisayo abazazi lezo zinto. Abasondele khona bezoyazi lezo zinto. Sinama-System IO, sinama-Beacon, Stand Store. Maningi la mashopa aku-website ungawasebenzisa. Ikhona-ke nala kustasami. Hamba ufike uyiclick ubone ukuthi kuzokwenza kanjani. You can click that link lapha, nikhona lapha kwi-bio, uyiclick, and then izokusa la kufanele uye khona. And then you'll start getting i-feedback and information and everything ngale product yakho.